Hi everyone, this is Lori at Lori Art Creations. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm bringing you a Dollar Tree DIY that I've gotten a lot of requests for how-tos on, and it's also gotten a lot of compliments, so I figured I would do this for you guys. It is a faux enamel platter, and it is actually a plastic platter. You would never know by looking at it. So, are you looking for something with a farmhouse flair and relatively inexpensive? Are you willing to put a little bit of time into it and a little bit of energy to create this piece? Consider doing this faux enamel platter. It can be hung on the wall, you can place it on a shelf, and the cost of this project, would you believe I only paid $2 for the materials? Now, I already had the paint, but if you don't have it, Walmart has paint for cheap. I mean, you could spend 50 cents per little container, or the Dollar Tree even now has acrylic paints. Now, first you're going to need one plastic platter from the Dollar Tree. My Dollar Tree carried them in two colors, and I ended up choosing. Now, in this picture, I'm showing you the depth of the platter. So it's nice because it's got a little bit of an indentation. It creates the look of a nice heavy platter. I added this Dollar Tree wall art to the platter. I wanted to have a little bit of decoration on it because I'm going to display it on my shelf in my kitchen. This art is peel and stick, so when you go to put it on your platter, you won't need any glue. You're also going to need some white acrylic paint, some white chalk paint, black chalk paint, and a paintbrush. Now, prior to painting, you can sand the surface and then wipe it clean. I didn't do that. I just used my white acrylic paint for the first coat because I'm displaying it up on a shelf, and I just didn't feel like it needed to be prepped any more than I was going to. I didn't waste time either painting the back of the platter because no one's going to see it. It's going to be up on a shelf. So once you paint it, you want to let the first coat dry. The first coat is the white acrylic paint. The second coat is the white chalk paint. Now, when in between these coats, you got to make sure that it dries all the way. Then once it was dry, I applied my chosen wall art. It came in three sections, and so when I was putting it on the plate, I had to be careful. I had to line it up carefully because it was sticky on the bottom, and once it kind of touched the paint, it would pull the paint up. So we don't want to do that. You just have to be very careful about lining everything up. If you have some wall art that doesn't come in pieces and is one big piece, that is better. But mine didn't come that way. Next then, I took my black paint and using my paintbrush, I just ran a line around the entire edge of the platter. I wasn't very picky, I wasn't real neat, I just did a line all the way around the edge of the platter. You kind of want that worn look anyway. To create the chippy look, I just smudged the brush in a little bit further on the platter here and there. But I was careful not to overdo it because you can quickly ruin that look that you're going for. You don't want too many chippies in there. Once the platter was dry, I applied a clear fixative. You don't have to. You could use Mod Podge if you'd like. I just used what I had on hand. I had some artist spray fixative that was clear. So, and now we're done. I did purchase one of those plate stands from the Dollar Tree. So, okay, I spent one more dollar than the $2, but for the actual project itself, it only cost $2. I hope you enjoyed this video and that it inspires you to try this project. Um, please tune in for more videos. Laurie Art Creations. Hope you guys have a wonderful day.